Hello guys, hello vapors. So today I will not show my face, I will show only the parts, and I make this video in English because I don't like to make three videos, one in German, one in Greece and one in English. So I've decided to make this one video in English. I will talk about the drill holes for box mods and press fitting, how we can reach this point. First of all, you need to measure the parts that you will insert or connect to the box mod. For example, the tactical switch or some momentary switch that are the tactical switch, almost use it, and all DNR mods, very popular. So uh, just a moment, I have to find my measurement. For example, this. So if the drill bit, and also I will talk about the drill bits. If you look this one, it's a 2 later drill bit, 2 drill later drill bit is, as you see, they have only 1 2 laters on these points. I will try to check to show you. It's not easy because it's very small and my zoom of this camera is not perfect. We have 1 later for cutting here and 1 later for cutting here. This is a 2 later drill bit. If we like to have high precision drilling holes, we need a 3 later drill bit. That means they have 3 laters and not 2. This one have, for example, only 2. This drill bit is not recommended for high precision drill holes. Anyway, this is only some information. Remember, if the drill hole is small, you need high speed. If the drill hole is big, you need a very slow speed, maybe 500, 600, or max 800 RPMs. I don't know to explain exactly. So the speed is 500 to 800 max. If you have these big drill holes to make, then you need a slow speed. Never try to make these holes with high speed. You will make dangerous things. You can hurt yourself or even damage the part, or the drill bit can broken. It's no funny thing. So this one, for example, is we have let me adjust the measurement. So remember, if the drill hole is 8 millimeters, you have to have a drill bit, for example, 7.8 millimeters, because always they have some bigger hole at 0.2, 0.3. It's depending on the drill bit and the machine that you are using. So now I will calibrate this measurement. So today he don't like to work, huh? And this is a cheap thing. So for example, we measure on these points on the threads, and they give us the number 1574. Then we need a drill bit at 1572. All right. If the drill hole is like this tactical switch 5 millimeters, then we need a drill bit for 0.8, and they will give us a press fit hole, um, very tight. We don't need even some glues or special um, things to fix the switch to not go out. So they will give us a press fit connection on the box mod, so we don't need any special glues or things to connect the switches. We show you now. Is not a press fit. Now you see it's a perfect match. So only thing is I have don't clean inside the sharp corners, but outside I have do this. Uh, if I think you can see that the sharp corners outside is cleaned, so they will give us a nice look, clean. So you make this one, and then just screw this screw inside. Just a moment, I will take this outside the camera. So now my switch is very clean inside. Perfect drill hole is everything nice and clean, nothing dirty. So let's see the press fit. What about talking for the press fit? They will go very tight. As you see, the looks, they don't like to go inside, and this is the press fit connection. They must be so. Let me adjust the connector, just turning left right slowly and gently, and they will go inside. So now what I'm talking about, the press fit, you see there's very tight, no place to go inside. The press fit means that I need a hammer. So keep in mind, under the holes you need some bridge, wooden bridge, to don't make something on the corners or edges to make like this. It's hard to explain, to keep straight the working piece. So I will say it like this. So remember, if this is a press fit connection, they don't need any glues. The only thing what he need is 1-2 strong hits with a hammer. But if you use the hammer, be gently, put some wooden piece like this. For example, this is the wooden piece, and with the hammer give it some 2-3 knocks, and the connector will go slide in straight and fix on his place, and there will nothing else needed. They will very good. Another example, tactical switch fit press connection. I hope you see this. I will not insert. %100%. So you see, if I will press totally down, they will be fixed. They don't need any glue, nothing. They will be ready to use. So precision is good. Another thing on press fit connection for box mods, like this. So I will take out this one. I will take out the momentary switch. Now press fit connection, you will see now again one useful trick to make this. To don't use, for example, magnets or something else. So on this part, because the outside edges on the corners here, here, and here, they're straight, they will not have a press fit connection, so there is loose. So here we need magnets or something, screws. We have screws. So but if we use big batteries, uh, like this, for example, the 26650s, so keep in mind that I am still not ready with the box mod. I show you only some tricks to do this self. Now what you see, the left and right corner on this goes slightly inside because I've pressed it on this outside corners, left and right. And now you will see what is the press fit connection. Now this is the press fit connection. If I try to open, they will not open. So now it's well closed. Look, they will not open. Even if you try with your hands very hard, they will not easily open. If you like to open the box like this, you have to make some practice to open this one. You have to press left and right, and then you can open this closing door. So now we don't need magnets, we don't need any glues, we don't need any special glues. Just give it a hit and they will stay in place. Now they play with me because yes, you see they pop up. Now they stay in place. It's okay. This is a press fit connection. Now if you like, for example, to make special venting cuts, stealth venting cuts, you will take something like this. I don't know to explain in English. It's a nail file, but for metal. You will make a special stealth venting cut. You have to reduce this part here, you see, all the way down. The size or the length is it's not so important. Important is you have to cut down one of these pieces here. You have to reduce this section and 30 degrees angle. You must reduce this part. Maybe 1 or 2 inches is enough. And if you close the door on the box mod, you will have a stealth venting cap like this. So we have reduced the part 1-2 inches. Then we will have a stealth venting cap. So venting hole that you can see without any big drill holes that looks very bad. So if I'm finished, I will make another video and you will see in action. So now they stay in place and I'm ready to go. So that's all my friends, for the box mod makers who like to make his own box mod. I hope this video was helpful. So don't try to make big holes at home itself because you don't have the right equipment. Better is you go to some machinery and let it drill it, because at home itself, home is danger because they need a lot of power, and because the hole is very big, we can handle this power with a normally drill bit. So please remember, big holes don't try at home. Go to a machinery shop. They will have the right equipment and they will make you exactly what you want. If the holes are small like this, you can use and make it at home at yourself, because they need only high speed and they don't need so much special equipment. So keep in mind these two things. Thanks for watching and bye.